Do you ever feel like you're taking one step forward and two steps back? Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about a common English expression and hopefully give you a little language learning motivation. So the expression is one step forward, two steps back. This expression means we make a small amount of progress in something. We make one step forward, but then something happens to make us feel like we have lost all of our progress and we take two steps back. So I think sometimes learning another language can feel like the meaning of this expression. We make progress, we make some progress, we take a step forward, then something happens to make us feel like we've lost all of our progress. And that feeling can make us want to give up. Don't give up. I think that we should change the expression so that it is two steps forward and only one step back. Because we'll lose sometimes. We'll take a step back. We'll get knocked down. But we'll always make more progress than we lose. We'll make two steps forward and only one step back. So remember that. Don't lose your motivation. Keep practicing, keep working, and you will make progress.